from time immemorial.
Hatramizay Andriamanitra tsy mbola namaly vavaka.
As a matter of fact, God
Raha
does not
marina
wait.
Andriamanitra tsy miasa akory izy.
There we go.
Iny
I
azy.
relax here.
Ajanoko eto afaka atsahatrako eto ny fotoam-bavaka.
Have you ever wondered why there is no
Ianao
new
ve tsy
tree on earth?
metram-panontaniana mihitsy hoe maninona tsy misy karazana hazo vaovao eto an-tany. Tsy misy karazana hazo vaovao mihitsy ohatra hoe nakany amin'ny hippodrome ve ianao misy karazana hazo vaovao mbola tsy nipotratra izay mihitsy fa zao vao mipotra. Raha sohitra midina amin'ny ambaratonga anao ianao ve tsy mbola metram-panontaniana hoe maninona tsy misy karazana olombelona vaovao an-taniana hoe avaiza ianao io tsy manana ray tsy manana reny efa mipotra tampoka ohatra zao fotsiny.
That means God stopped creating
Midika
weather.
izany fa Andriamanitra efa natsahany ny fanamboarana zavatra vaovao. Izy mipetraka eo amin'ny seza fiandrianany amin'izao Baiboly miteny hoe izay mipetraka eo amin'ny seza fiandrianany dia mihome. Mamaly vavaka ve zany Andriamanitra? Tsy mihome izy sisa eo amin'ny seza fiandrianany.
I started my subject that side, but I'm seeing it's going the wrong direction. So what God did was He created the world with rules and regulations
na ary an'izao tontolo zao tamin'ny fitsipika sy ny lalàna izy ary nanome finoana anao mba ahafahanao mampiasa ny finoanao amin'ny tontolo izay no azy iny. Ho antsika izay manana diplôma azy.
This that happened here, I could sense certificates. Now hear me. Hear me. Why is it? Are you still here?
Mbola ao ve ianao?
I've asked this question before, but I know
nametraka
it
an'ity fanontaniana ity moa
over
zaho
your
teo
head.
aloha teo fa ndraso apetrako aminao indray.
God make
Maninona
angels
Andriamanitra
if he's that
nahazo
powerful?
ny anjelatra tena manan-kery tokoa izy.
Now my graduates have gone blank.
Aiza le manana diplôma teo tsy mahavoavady.
If God is this
Raha
powerful,
tena
why does he
manan-kery
need
tokoa
angels?
Andriamanitra maninona mbola mila
Why would you
anjely
need
izy?
another angel to go that direction?
Maninona
Another
mbola mila
angel? Why?
anjely ianao izahana makaty sy
Why would you
makery?
ask a question?
Maninona ianao
Whom
mbola
shall I
mametraka
send?
fanontaniana hoe iza no
You don't need to
alefako?
send anything. Just decide and it will happen.
Safidio fotsiny dia mitranga ny zavatra
You don't
rehetra.
even
Raha
need
ny
to
tena
decide if
marina
you're
tsy mila misafidy
It just
akory ianao
happens.
raha tena mana-kery
It's just
tokoa satria
automatic.
afaka mampitranga
Are
ny
you
zavatra
getting what I'm saying?
automatiquement
So
azonao
there
hoe
is an
zany zavatra zany.
automatic plan God created.
Misy
He
plan
said, "This is
automatique
the
izay
end.
noazin'Andriamanitra
I
ny
have
teny izy
finished.
hoe
I'm now standing
ity zao
here.
tontolo zao efa vita
Now
ko nahazo azy
waiting
alay
for
petraka amin'ny
the
toerana
things
anankiray
that
amin'izao
I've given you
miandry
to
an'le
use in
olona
this
izay noaziko tao ampiasa an'ilay zavatra nomeko
And I've given
ampiasaina
you
to ambony
faith that if you
tany ity
have it,
ary nomeko finoana
You
ianao
now
ka raha
press this
anananao izay
button
finoana izay
and this angel responds.
miantso
But
an'ity
I'm
fotsiny
out of
ianao
it.
manapoitra an'ity bouton an'ity fotsiny ianao dia tonga ny
For
anjely
those
fa
who managed to
efa
bust
tsy misy
this
idirako
morning.
itsony ho an'izay olona izay nieritreritrany
You never know, maybe
iandro
speed
mota
or
maraina
just
mety hoe
your
malaky be mety hoe
preference,
taraiky izy dia tsy nandro izy fa tonga dia
So
nivoaka ny
there is
trano
no
fotsiny.
automatic move.
Tsy misy zavatra
But what happens is
automatika
God has
mitranga
placed a
fotsiny zany
certain
fa
system
zavatra mitranga efa
by
nisy
which
fitsipika na
anything
système
and everything
izay
can
napetrakan'Andriamanitra
actually be
mba
done. Are you
ahafahan'izay
getting this?
hitranga araky ny
There's a
fitsipika
queen who
napetrany.
prided herself in not
Misy
bathing at all.
mpanjaka vavy moa tena mirehare mihitsy
She
izy hoe
bathed
tsy mbola
only twice.
nandro mihitsy izy hatry izay niainany tsy mbola nidio zany
your
indroa
lifetime.
ihany izy no nidio tamin'ny androm-pianandray
Maybe you don't
manontolo.
understand where
Mety
we've
tsy
come
fantatrao
from as
hoe
a species.
avaiza ny karazana ny avitsika.
Have you ever seen the nobles,
Ianao ve fa
noble
nahita ny
women with
olona
those fangs going
manan-karena
like this?
tamin'izany fotoan'izao mikopaka
That
tena
was
fa manakina
never
n'iny
for
amin'ny tariana iny
fresh
tsy natao
air.
ikopahana
No.
ny
It was to
tena
cover
ny
rotten
tompo
teeth.
fa natao anakonana
Yes,
ny
because
nify
in those
maloto
days,
simba
to have
satria tamin'izany
rotten
fotoana
teeth
zany
meant
raha
you were
maloto
rich.
ny nifinao dia midika hoe
You have
manan-karena
sugar,
zany
you have
ianao
access to all this.
afaka mividy sakafo ianao afaka misakafo ianao afaka mampiasa siramamy sy ny sisa.
Even to wash your body
na ny
from the
hoe
waist
iandro
down
na hoe
as a woman,
nianasa ny
you were
tapany
not
ambany amin'ny
supposed to.
vehivavy tsy nasaina natao
Because it
zany
was
tamin'izany
believed it would
satria
give you
nino izy ireo hoe
what
hitondra
they call
fahamombana
barrenness.
le izy raha hoe diovinao ny
Because science
tapany
did not
ambany
advance to tell you there's nothing to do with barrenness.
kanefa
So
lisy tsisy
imagine the
idiran'izay dia eritrereto ny
of the
fofony
teeth,
vehivavy
the
tamin'izany
mouth, so they kept on going like
mifofona
this.
ny
We're talking about
vava
queens.
sy ny rehetra dia zay mahatonga le stakomany zareo mpanjaka
But my question is
zany
not that. My
tamin'izany.
question is not that did you bath?
Fantaniko tsy hoe naondro ve ianao satria izay tokony ho apetrako
But of
nefany
course I should ask that question.
tokony
But
apetraka
I'm
izay
not going to ask
fantaniny
that
izay fa
question.
tsy hidirako
Someone said
androany
prophesy.
mety misy miteny hoe mamina ny mpaminany
I'm trying to ask one question. Did God
miezaka
bath you today?
mametraka fantanina
You didn't
aminao hoe
know. That means that action You were given because he gave you a brain.
Andriamanitra ve napandro anao tandroany maraina tsia ianao napandro ny tenanao zany hoe name sainanao izy mba ahafahanao mampiasa ny sainao mampiatra an'izay ny olananao manko tianao Andriamanitra no zavatra ho anao.
What God left us
zavatra napetraka Andriamanitra tamintsika dia ny saina finoana ampiasaina ny finoana
a doing word. I think if I say that in Africa it makes sense. A verb is a doing word.
Ny verbe aloha zany mino zavatra ankehitriny zany ka ianao zany tsy afaka mino zavatra rapitsy fa ny zavatra zao ihany hoe mino ho azy fiara lainga zany zavatra mitranga zao no afaka ninonao fa hoe manana finoana amin'ny zavatra anankiray. Ny olananao dia ty mbola miandry an'Andriamanitra hanao zavatra ho anao ianao marary zao ianao misy ratra aminao na manaintana dia hitomany hoe Andriamanitra tsy hitanao nga ty zavatra atrehako ty dia hoe Andriamanitra efa nomeko finoana ianao efa nomeko ny teniko ianao lasa asehako zavatra ianao.
Ephesians 1 verse number 11.
Efesiana toko voalohany andiny faharaka ambin'ny folo hoe ao aminy koa no nanaovana antsika holovany rehefa notendrena raha teo isika araka ny fikasany izay maefa ny zavatra rehetra araka ny ankasitrahany fony. Ny ankasitrahany fony dia ny teniny zany averitsika ao aminy koa izy nanaovana antsika holovany rehefa notendrena raha teo isika araka ny fikasany izay maefa ny zavatra rehetra araka ny ankasitrahany fony.
Okay, maybe they didn't get it.
Mety tsy azonao ngamba le izy ndikan'izay dia zao.
This is just an example.
Ohatra ty
So don't
ampiasaiko
think
ty
God does this in this
aza
way.
mieritreritra hoe zao ny ataon'Andriamanitra eto
He says
ambony
when
tontolo
God
zao.
wants to do something,
Ozy
he
zay raha
checks
tianao
if he's
zavatra
in his word first.
Andriamanitra dia jereny aloha hitany ao amin'ny teniny ve le izy.
In whom we also have obtained an inheritance.
Tao aminy izy izy
But I don't
nazahoantsika
think
ny
God is this short,
lovantsika.
but it's just saying. Now, come back. In whom also we have obtained
Tao
an
aminy nanaovana
inheritance,
antsika
being
holovany
predestinated
rehefa notendrena
according to the
raha
purpose
teo
of
isika
him
araka ny
who
fikasany izay
does
maefa ny zavatra
everything
rehetra
and works
araka ny ankasitrahany
everything
fony.
after he checks his word first.
Rehefa tao aorianany jerevany ny teniny zany
So even God checks his own word.
na Andriamanitra raha
Then he
mijery ny
gave you a
teniny ka
Bible with
dia rehefa
66
aveo izy name
books.
boky anao a boky
And
miisa
then he
enina
said,
amby enimpolo dia ny teny izy hoe
use it.
zanako ampiasao ity
Then when
boky
you're
ty
in trouble, you ask God.
dia rehefa
Papa,
manana
I'm
problème
in
ianao dia
trouble. God
lasa
says, but the same thing I
mitodika any
will use.
amin'Andriamanitra dia ozy
It's the same
Andriamanitra hoe le
thing I
zavatra
just gave you.
nampiasaiko ane
From time
no nomeko
immemorial,
anao e.
God has never answered prayer.
Ary
As a
araka ny
matter of
teneniko
fact,
teo
God
hoe
does not wait.
hatramin'ny voalohany
What happened
Andriamanitra
with
tsy mbola namaly
Moses?
vavaka ary tsy
Moses
miasa
got to the
izy
Red Sea.
hoy zavatra
And he
nitranga
saw
tamin'ny
the
Mosesy
water. He
rehefa
looked
teo
back.
alohany
He saw the
nanoloanany
Egyptians.
ranomasina
He started
mena
crying.
dia nitodika tao aoriana izy nahita ny
God,
Egyptiana
please look
dia
in front of us.
nikikika antomany izy hoe
The
Andriamanitra
Bible says,
jerevy ny zavatra eo
and the
anoloana eny
Lord said
dia hoy ny
unto
Baiboly hoe ary
Moses,
Andriamanitra
why
tamin'ny
are you
Mosesy hoe
crying to me?
maninona
Why
ianao
are
no
you
mitomany
crying?
aty amiko maninona ianao no mivavaka.
No, you're not getting this.
Tsy azonao le izy.
Speak unto the children of Israel
Nono ny
that they
teneny
go
ozy izy
forward.
ny
Don't
zanak'Israely
pray,
mba
just move
androso
forward.
aza
Don't
mivavaka
pray,
fa
just
mandroso
move
fotsiny
forward.
ianao
Don't pray,
aza
just move
mivavaka
forward.
intsony fa mandroso
Don't pray, just
fotsiny.
get it. You say to me, is there a place where God will say no prayer? There.
Mety tenenao misy toerana ve ny tenen'Andriamanitra hoe zasiana
Keep praying
vavaka
for
ao
the
le
things
izy
you're already on.
mbola ano hivavaka
He
amin'ny
is a
zavatra
business
efa
in front of
nanananao
you.
ve
You
misy
gotta sell
business
this
eo
house.
anoloanao
You
tokony
gotta sell this
hivarotra
car.
ny trano
You
io
gotta
ianao
sell this
varotra ny
thing.
fiaranao
And you're praying, Father,
dia mivavaka hoe
let the
Andriamanitra
people buy, please.
aoka ny
The
olona
person is there.
hividy eo ne le olona
Learn to sell ice cream.
mianara
to
mivarotra
Eskimos.
ny glasy amina Eskimo
It just worked.
any amin'ireny toerana mangatsiaka ireny zany
Learn.
mianara.
Learn to sell heaters. To mountain
Menara
helmets.
mivarotra zavatra le mafana reny amin'ny olona any amin'ny tendrombohitra le tena maheno mafana be mianara ozy izy mivarotra zavatra mafana amin'ireny olo reny miry olona mipetraka any amin'ny toerana mangatsiaka reny mianara mivarotra zavatra
And let me tell
mangatsiaka
you
amin'izy
something.
reny
Don't ever get to a point where you say, oh, I don't know how to sell men of God.
ary ianao
Maybe.
aoka tsy ho tonga
I'm
mitetika
telling
hoe
you things
za
that
tsy
are
mahay
stopping your
mivarotra
start.
Andriamanitra zako miteny zavatra
Your
aminao
star
zay
is stopping because you
mampisahatra
don't
ny
rise.
kintananao
You think you are not
tsy
that person, you're
misandatra
not
ianao ianao
blessed,
lasa
you're
mieritreritra
not
hoe
blessed.
za tsy tahina tsy mandroso araka ny tokony ho izy ny fiainako ahoana moa natongavako ho mifehy an'ity ara-paminan'iny nefa zao dia avy any ambanivohitra be zaka rehefa makany amin'ny ambanivohitra ianao na Christophe Colomba rehefa tonga tany dia tonga teo ambanivohitra ko izy dia ozy izy tsy tonga antsony avy fa tsisy dikany loatra zany le toerana hoe nao mivavaka ho an'ny olona zay manohitra anao kristiana tsisy ilaivana anazy ianao raha izay ny ataonao hoe ny olona manaratsy anao dia mitarainao hoe Andriamanitra tia manenjika anahy tia manaratsy anazy zay mahatonga an'Andriamanitra tsy manome anao fanambinana satria tsy hainao no mifehy an'izany fantatrao ve fa raha mahazo vola be anao amin'izao fotoan'izao dia efa ho tany zany satria tsy voafehy anao le izy anomony ny tenanao ianao raha amena zavatra tsy ho voafehy anao.
Ask any mother here why they don't give their children a knife.
Antaniondra ny mpianakaviana hoe maninona tsy omeny antsy any zanany.
But you know this one is 2 months old.
Fantatrao hoe mbola kely io zaza io raha omenao antsy ny zaza iny dia ho faty iny nefa zavatra antsy afaka hanampy anao an-dakozia le izy. Ny antom-bavaka anao sujet de prière anao dia vavaka na zazakely loatra.
And you are praying against Maruza.
Enao Andriamanitra efa nametraka ny zavatra rehetra ho anao dia nefa ianao mbola mivavaka hanohitra an'le fahavalinao ve ozy Andriamanitra tsisy ilaivana anazy ty anankiray ty mila miditra ao anatina famatorana ianao mba ahafan'Andriamanitra rehefa mame vola be anao dia ainao no mifehy anazy manana toromarotoro hevitra ho anao aho enoy aza miandry ny olona ankasitraka anao aza mirarana izy ny tianao na tsy tianao tsy resaka fifananana misy na misy kary izy ty fiainanao fantohana aza mirarana zavatra tenen'ny olona makasika anao aza mirarana zay zavatra tenen'ny olona makasika ny tarehanao sy ny tongotrao fa mandrosoa ihany ianao amin'ny fiainanao aza zarahina ny vavan'ny olona.